Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a thrift store makeover, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this video of me making this over. I picked up this wall hanging from the thrift store about a week ago, and so I'm just gonna recreate it. And so I removed the key ring from the twine and also the wood hearts from the twine. And so I just yanked them off, and they were very easy to do. So we will toss that old twine braid in the garbage. We do not need it. And so I picked up some twine from either Dollar Tree or Michael's. I'm not sure. I've had this for a while, but yeah, I picked up this twine and I thought it was going to go perfect with this using the Maggie Holmes Heritage Collection. I love the color of the twine as well. It's a lighter tan. And so I cut 9 pieces of twine at 40 inches long, and I'm going to weave it through the key rings, and you're going to weave all 9 of them halfway through, and then you're going to gather them all on the key ring, and I'm going to braid the twine together, and each strand of braid will have 3 pieces of twine to it. And so just braid your twine all the way to the length of your desired length. And so here I am. I'm at the end. I didn't show the full coverage of me braiding the twine because it's just too tedious to show, and you get the gist of it. And so on the end, I do tie a bow with a piece of twine, and that's just to secure your twine together and your braid. So you see me here just placing the hearts. I'm trying to figure out where the placement of these hearts are going to go. And so I think I like it. And then I grab another string. It's probably about 9 inches in length, and tie a bow to the top of your braid right under the key ring. And excuse my raspy voice. I was sick. I've been sick for the last week. And so I am a bit congested. And this is also VR for Joanne, Happy Meal Stamper here on YouTube. She's currently having a giveaway, and I wanted to support her. Unfortunately, her giveaway is ending soon. However, I will link her channel in the description below if you'd like to go see her. She has a really nice channel, and yeah, she wanted a wall hanging, and so I wanted to support her in that. We've been following each other for a while. So you did see me sand the hearts using a nail file. This project was such an easy project that a nail file was sufficient enough. And unfortunately, I didn't have any sandpaper. So now you see me here painting the hearts using some acrylic paint from Michael's. And you don't have to paint the front because we are going to adhere some cardstock to the front. You can find some hearts at your local craft store as well. You can do this project with store-bought products, brand new products, and it is very easy to make, as you can see. I just saw this at the thrift store and wanted to recreate it. And so here you see me. You didn't see me cut the heart from the cardstock. However, I did trace the wood heart, and then I fussy cut it out by hand. And now I'm going to glue the heart to the wood pieces using Mod Podge. And I end up using only 3 hearts instead of the 5. And I'm using a brush that is for kids. I didn't want to use my good brushes because the Mod Podge does mess up your brushes. It will damage it. So you want to use an inexpensive paintbrush or sponge, whatever works for you. But be very careful because this Mod Podge does get everywhere, and I wanted the top of the hearts to be just paper without Mod Podge because hot glue doesn't adhere to Mod Podge very well, and I didn't want to use E6000. I wasn't sure how it was going to look behind the stickers that I was using. I didn't want the glue to warp those stickers, so I stuck to the basics and what I knew, and what I knew was not to use Mod Podge on top of the paper. And so I'm placing the hearts here, trying to figure out how they're going to go. Here are 2 stickers that I layered on top of each other, and I love this house so much. It's such a cute little house, and I just adhered it to the bottom heart with some hot glue. So here you see me do the same. I did layer these 2 stickers together, and I'm adhering it to the heart with some hot glue. And I also adhere the word gather on top of that, and this is a die cut using the die cuts I received from Coco&Reno as a guest designer, and I really love the fall dies that they have, and this one is one of my favorites. The word gather went perfect with the heritage collection, and so I do use my glue pen to adhere that to the heart. If you have double-sided tape, then that would work as well with the die cut. And so I adhere it the same way as I adhered the first heart with some glue and E6000. And the last heart, I do the same as well with the stickers, layer them on top of each other, and then glue them on. And I think this project is turning out really cute. I love the colors. I love the vintage feel, semi-country vintage farmhouse feel. That's what it looks like to me. So here you see me just gluing the hearts with E6000 and hot glue. So we're just about done. I'm going to grab some twine about 9 inches long, and I'm going to tie a bow on top of each heart. And we're basically done here, you guys. Please go check out Joanne's channel. It's linked below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And up next, I'm not sure. I believe it's going to be a swap, but I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to be happy. Bye.